Yeah, a little girl. Mommy. And then put that back. Put that back. Put this one back. Yeah. Put it back. It's fun.
You got some big hiccups, baby.
Do you want to hop in?
I love you.
Do you want to?
Mwah. Cambria, that's what you're going to look like in 11 years.